White collar crime is on the rise here in Texas, but you may be surprised as to why. What we are seeing is civil lawsuits, right? So it's an actual filed civil lawsuit. It usually starts, it's a construction, it's a contract, it's some sort of breach somewhere, right? It starts as a civil lawsuit. Someone is not getting what they want or they're owed money and they end up going to the police. Now, historically, in years past, someone would do that. The police would say, no, we are not getting involved in this. This is a civil dispute. There's a reason why a civil court exists, okay? What we have seen for the last couple years and more each month, each week is police are choosing to get involved. And what happens is that one party on one side goes to the police, makes a complaint, tells that story. That officer says, you know what, let's do this. I'm gonna get an arrest warrant for that other side and go arrest them and charge them criminally. Now, sometimes they get it wrong. Sometimes they only have that one side of the story. They don't have all the records. They don't have all the, facts, or the contract was changed or whatever it may be, and they end up arresting the victim. And that poor victim got arrested, had to go to court. Now, maybe ultimately they got the right result, but they had to go through that process. So be aware of this. If you are going through or have a contract, having difficulty, thinking about, I may need an attorney to get involved in this, whatever it may be, start getting everything in writing, start documenting. Make sure if it's verbal, get it in writing, okay? If you're starting to think that way, you may not need an attorney. It may end up just fine and everybody figures this out, but at least seek out advice on that. Get legal advice.